Welcome to our YouTube channel, a haven of elegance, sophistication, and horological marvels created for true connoisseurs of fine timepieces. We are thrilled to have you join us on this extraordinary journey where we celebrate the artistry and craftsmanship that defines luxury watches. Today, we have a truly captivating unveiling to share with you, the Breitling Navitimer Automatic 35, a masterpiece designed to adorn the wrists of discerning women who appreciate timeless beauty and impeccable precision. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. The Breitling Navitimer Automatic is a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this luxury women's watch features a case made from stainless steel, which not only exudes sophistication but also ensures durability for a lifetime of enjoyment. With a water resistance rating of 3 bars, it can withstand everyday splashes and is perfect for a day at the office or a night out on the town. Let's delve into the fascinating specifications that set the Breitling Navitimer Automatic apart from the rest. The perfectly proportioned diameter of 35.0 millimeters and a slim thickness of 9.9 millimeters make it an ideal choice for women who appreciate refined elegance without compromising comfort. Weighing approximately 105.0 grams, it strikes the perfect balance between a substantial presence on the wrist and a lightweight feel that ensures all-day comfort. Equipped with the Tech 211 caliber, a self-winding mechanical movement, the Breitling Navitimer Automatic is a reliable companion for every moment. With a vibration frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour and 26 joules, this timepiece guarantees precise timekeeping and a smooth sweeping motion of the hands. The power reserve of approximately 38 hours ensures that your watch will continue to tick even during periods of rest, offering convenience and peace of mind. Every aspect of the Breitling Navitimer Automatic is thoughtfully designed to accentuate its allure. From the bidirectional, slide rule bezel that adds a touch of practicality to the non-screw-locked crown with 2 gaskets that ensures optimal water resistance, no detail is overlooked. The cambered sapphire crystal, glare-proofed on both sides, enhances legibility and protects the dial from the elements. With dimensions meticulously crafted to perfection, including a height of 41.0 millimeters and a lug width of 18.0 millimeters, the watch is a harmonious blend of form and function. Completing the ensemble is a stainless steel strap, meticulously designed with a metal bracelet that exudes timeless elegance and sophistication. The straight strap type ensures a seamless integration with the case, enhancing the watch's overall aesthetics. The lug size of 18-16 millimeters ensures a comfortable fit, accentuating the graceful contours of the wrist. In summary, the Breitling Navitimer Automatic is a horological masterpiece that effortlessly blends style, precision, and functionality. Its stainless steel case, water resistance, and meticulously crafted dimensions make it a versatile companion for any occasion. With the Tech 211 caliber movement and an impressive power reserve, it ensures accurate timekeeping and reliability. Whether you are a watch aficionado or someone seeking a remarkable timepiece, the Breitling Navitimer Automatic will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the exceptional Breitling Navitimer Automatic. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing experience and exploration of its remarkable features. Stay tuned for more exciting videos as we continue to showcase the world's finest timepieces. We sincerely appreciate your support, and we look forward to welcoming you back to our channel soon. Until then, may your days be filled with elegance, style, and the timeless beauty of luxury watches.